Mare Imbrium, Latin for Sea of Rains, is a vast lava plain within the Imbrium Basin. The basin was formed when a protoplanet with an estimated 150-mile diameter slammed into the Moon during the period of late heavy bombardment 3.9 billion years ago. Basaltic lava then flooded the gigantic impact crater. Switching to color-shaded laser altimetry to enhance the surface features. The basin is surrounded by 3 concentric rings of mountains. The outermost ring has a diameter of 900 miles and is divided into several different mountain ranges. Montes Carpatus to the south, Montes Apenninus to the southeast, and the Montes Caucasus to the east. The middle ring is 580 miles in diameter and forms the Montes Alpes and the mountainous regions near the craters Archimedes and Plato. The innermost ring, with a diameter of 350 miles, has been largely buried under the Mare's basalt, leaving only low ridges protruding through the Mare plains, forming a roughly circular pattern. These are the Montes Carpatus. The mountains are actually the raised rim of the basin itself that have been penetrated by lava flows. Notice T. Mea crater. This undesignated feature rises 1.55 miles above the lava floor. Now we see Eratosthenes crater and the Apennine mountain range. Notice the rim continuing beyond the horizon. We are now passing Mons Bradley and Conon crater. Notice here as we approach Hadley Rill. The arrow identifies the Apollo 15 landing site, Mons Hadley and Mons Hadley Delta. We are now looking northward at the Montes Caucasus. Seen here on the left are the craters Theaetetus and Cassini. Approaching on the right is Eudoxus crater, and seen here is Aristoteles. We now move inward to the middle ring of the basin. This group of mountains just to the south of Archimedes crater are designated the Montes Archimedes. Seen here is the southern end of the Montes Alpes and nearby Cassini crater to the right. The Alpine Valley. Now, we continue along the northwestern edge of the middle ring, towards the crater Plato. Seen here is Rime Plato. Approaching is Sinus Iridum, Latin for the Bay of Rainbows. Notice here on the northeast end, Promontorium Laplace. At the southwest end is Promontorium Heraclides. The innermost ring is marked by isolated ridges and peaks. To the south are ridges designated Heim, Zierleck, and Grabau. To the north are the Montes Recti, Montes Tenerife, and Mons Pico. Montes Recti is a straight range of mountains that is 51 miles in length and up to 1.8 miles in height. Montes Tenerife is a range of mountains that emerge from the Sea of Rains. This range is named after Tenerife, one of the Canary Islands. Some of the tallest peaks reach a height just under 8,000 feet. This isolated peak is designated Mons Pico. It rises upwards for 1.5 miles.